UNITAR is an organization dedicated to changing behaviors with changes in the way people think and act. All of us are faced with so many crises. All of us feel the urge to change, but many of us don't know about why we need to change and how we need to do things differently. So, UNITAR works with governments, they work with individuals, they work with different ministries of government, they work with business to show them why they should be doing things differently and how should they be doing things differently in our very troubled world. Well, the organization of UNITAR is around the Sustainable Development Goals. The divisions we have are called Peace and Planet, and People and Prosperity, and SDG Learning, Diplomatic Training, and a division for Satellite, which is we are also the home to the UN Satellite Center. So, in a way, everything we do is around training and building people's capacity to implement the SDGs so that we get to a better world by 2030. Well, UNITAR is doing well. We've got good financing. We are able to do multiple trainings in so many poor countries, especially the most distressed countries. We had a problem during COVID 19, which was that we couldn't do face to face training anymore, and we had to do it all online. But now, with the threat of COVID receding a bit, we are back to doing our work in the old style and in the new style, which is called hybrid. And we are very happy that we reach over 400,000 people every year to help them change the way they are working. So we had temporary problems, and a permanent problem is, of course, getting funding to be able to do our activities, but we are doing just fine. Yes, as you know, the basic message of the Sustainable Development Goals was that everything in our lives is interrelated. You can't remove poverty without having better health. You can't have better health without empowering women. You can't empower women without doing so many things for social inclusion and changing the attitude, especially of men. So, all these things are so interconnected that, and clearly, you have to decide what your priorities are going to be. All our amounts of budgets are limited. And is it that given this interconnection, you'll spend money first on empowering women? Will you spend money on health clinics first? So everything gets interrelated, and the priorities and how you implement these priorities determines how everything else will come about. So, yes, temporarily, if you focus on one of these issues, the others might suffer, but in the end, everything is so interconnected that there'll be good benefits to all the other sustainable development goals by the priorities and the expenditure you do on one of them.